So whenever you're looking at properties, you're always looking for that like sort of X factor or amenities that separate you from other properties. So this one has, a big dog park, has a nice pool. It's right on a golf course, and so that gives you like a little bit extra buffer versus being right next to another apartment or being next to just maybe some industrial that's really loud. This is sort of a nice, you can bring your dog out here, nice dog park. They have a dog wash station.
We're at the dog wash, yeah.
Have a gym, have a pool, so all those amenity sets. And this property isn't that big. It's close to 150 plus units, and so it's a smaller property, but then has all the amenity set of some of your larger competition out there.